In this video, we'll be going over Historia, amor, vln1. Please look in the video where it's a tutorial for proper positioning, like second, third position, 4, 5 position. Alright? This video will not explain any of that, so please refer to the other video for reference. So here we go, beginning. 3, 4. Next part. 3, 4. Next part, you're gonna slide. 3, 4. And again, I did up bow for that part. You're gonna want to make sure you go up bow. I'm gonna change it instead of doing down. Next part, we're gonna skip second ending. 3, 4.
I'm naked. I'm naked.
Next part will be the B section. Here we go. Remember, there's 3 notes learned. 3, 4, what? Next part, for the whole notes and the half notes, you're going to skip all that. You will play here, though, and you will not play the D sharp. So you play this part. So I was going to go 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, and again, slower. 1, 2. Okay, remember the bottom dots stand for staccato, for short and sweet. C section we've gone over. The D section is the beginning. Let's go over the ending. Here we go. Half notes, slurred. 3, 4. Pizzicato. Okay, and that's it.